What's up, guys? So I don't know if you noticed this or not, but I got that sick car work shirt that I got from when I was in Atlanta. But so today I'm going to do a quick video and kind of cover on some things. So I got a new simulator, and it's a Logitech G920. Pretty sweet. Been playing on with like Forza 7. Just downloaded a Assetto Corsa and been playing on mid pond and kind of filling that out. Still kind of learning what I'm doing. It is a huge learning curve, but I heard it makes you a much better driver. But check that out. Hopefully at some point, I don't know which month, I'm going to probably be down there. I'd like to drive before the end of the year. I think Kevin's got a fall bash going on. I don't remember when that is exactly. But what I will say is, would you just look at it? I don't know. I've been meaning to do more videos on how the paint turned out and how it looks and how much flakes in it. Just, I still need to compile everything, and I've been slowly working on it. I still got to paint this lovely thing. That's all its former glory, because spent all that time and effort painting the bay, and it looks like that. Well, it looks like that. When I painted the roof when I went to IA like 6 years ago. But the board thing needs attention, same with the KH2 Z32, but still waiting on some parts to come in for it to finish it up and get it set up and started and running. And I don't know, I'm probably going to start selling, I'm probably either going to sell the G35 sedan hopefully soon. I thought about selling it before the R34 comes, but I really don't want to. Because look at it. Look how sick that is. Look, just look at it. But for real though, I know I said that every day I'd upload a new picture or a new video, and I'm going to stick to that. It's going to be kind of tough. I've got a lot of stuff going on. Mainly just customer builds that I really need to get done. But on top of that, who doesn't love twisted teas? So I'm gonna keep this conversation going in the car real quick. But before I do that, I did notice something after spring break bash the other day when I was watching the Safiro for like the third time. You might remember this clip. And you might not can see it very well, but yeah. Honestly, I'm surprised it didn't do more damage or bust the back window out. But realistically, I mean, other than just some damage from the track, the paint held up. And really thankful that nothing happened major to the track, or well, at least to the Safiro. I mean, I do go off track a lot,
Shit, that nigga had me scared, but I held my own. Fuck that.
I like to help Ken sow them oats and corn and whatnot with, the 1988, Nissan tractor. Look cool doing it though. So what this video actually is about is I really want more people to drive with on Assetto. What I might do is probably get off tonight, low car problems, and also door open problems. But what I'm gonna probably do after I get off work tonight, hop on Assetto and probably run mid pond, or if somebody wants to hop on, that's cool. I'm down with whatever. Skidbillies is a name on Steam if you want to add us or whatever. Again, don't laugh. I'm terrible on track, and I'm even worse on a sim, and I'm absolutely willing to admit that. So with that being said, and again, sorry if I suck on Assetto or with sim driving. I actually played a lot on Forza 7 last night, up and getting good car packs. And the first literal thing I did was I went and downloaded Mid-Pond. That is literally one of my favorite tracks. Fun to drive, fun place. If you haven't gone there, I highly advise it, by all means. It's always got events hosted on the weekend, but the private events like Spring Break Bash, and I think I might go down for 4th of July just to go hang out. I really don't know how the Sephiro's engine's holding up. I basically put new bearings in it from last Spring Break Bash. I think I got like 6 events on it in total. And I really want to kind of check it out again just for my own sanity, because God, it's been abused, and honestly, it's been through hell and back, and I really would like, I'd feel more comfortable probably rebuilding my spare 26 I've got in the garage from the GTR when it ran versus the 28 that's in the GTR now. So I probably might do a tear down event here soon. Probably just get like new bearings, standard, all the way around, new pump, oil and water. And just go from there. I mean, it doesn't have any major mods. I'm not going to put restrictors in it. I'm not going to do anything crazy. Might extend the sump. I haven't 100% decided yet, but we'll see. But again, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the flip.